May I call upon the dancing diva, Surjit Kaur, 66, who's done a lot of amazing stuff that she's going to share with us. Surjit ji.
After listening to Neelam, Usu, Ansu, I really don't know what I'm going to speak about.
Just dance. Just dance. Yes, dance.
I have no problem. I have no problem. Please, really. Once somebody asked my son कि तुम्हारी मम्मी को नाचना अच्छा लगता है तो कब और कैसे नाचती है? वो कहते हैं कि घर में सिर्फ 2 पार्टी में बजा तो वो नाचने लग जाती है. So that's not a problem to dance anywhere. Last on my birthday, my granddaughter who's 12 years old, she called me to wish me, and she asked me, Nani, how old are you today? I said 65. So there was a pause. And after that she says, Nani, are you really very sure about it? I said, of course, yes darling, I'm very sure about it that I am 65. Over the years, I have not only grown to be 65, but have learned to enjoy being 65. Most of the times, old age is not something society tends to view in a very glowing or positive way. Much is said about how to hide it, how not to reach it. Very few people know about how to cherish it, relish it, and enjoy it. It's time to be celebrated like any other time. It's time to be celebrated like any other time of your full cycle of life. Because this is the time when you really have time to understand you, understand your environment, understand your family, because there are no much responsibilities on you of your family and all that. So you really have time to do so much in life. And for me, it is always like putting theory into practice. And that has really helped me a lot because I have learned nothing is impossible. It only requires hard work, passion, and patience, and faith in yourself. And above all, you have to know what you want, or what is your goal. Whenever I set my goal, for me it is like, go for the best, be prepared for the worst. Now what is the best? I have achieved my goal, I am very happy about it. What is the worst? I have not achieved my goal. But in that worst scenario, I have learned the mistakes that I made for which I have not attained my goal. So next time when I am going to try, I am much more experienced and I know what mistakes I made. I will not commit those mistakes and I have achieved my goal. So ultimately I have achieved my goal. I love to challenge myself. Because if you don't challenge yourself, you will never realize what you are capable of. So take every chance, drop every fear. Especially the fear of people. What will people say? I really start dancing at the age of 16. What will people say? At this old age, she's going to learn dancing. What will my son think about it? I really want to participate in that dance competition. But if I do it, my son-in-law will taunt my daughter. And say, look, what your mama is doing at this old age. But no, this is your life. And you have to enjoy it. You have to love it. If you want to participate in dance competition, why not? Go ahead, do it, love it, enjoy it, and feel good about it. I learned driving at the age of 48. Why? My son was 5 years old, and like any other parents, we put him for dancing, swimming, singing, this, that, and all sorts of classes. So going from one class to another, and you have to reach on time. Driver doesn't come, you had it. So we said, what is the best solution? I learned driving. Before I could act or react, my husband and my 5 years old son, they had gone and enrolled me in a driving school. Okay. 5th day, my husband stops the car on the way nearer to the house and says, come on, you drive. Me drive? Yes, you do. But I did. And that was the confidence that I got, that on 5th day I can drive. And that's so on. And after the 30 days, when you go to take your permanent license, I got it. And I was very happy about it because there were younger people who didn't get it. And I got it. And I actually got all the more confident. And so much confident that in the year 2004 November, I drove from Mumbai to Kashmir with my 12 years old son, all alone. And it took me 5 minutes, believe me, just 5 minutes to decide to take this trip. So one day we got this car ready, and the third day in the morning I started 8 o'clock in the morning. The first stop Ahmedabad, second stop Jaipur, third stop Ludhiana, fourth stop Jammu, fifth day in Srinagar. Everybody was, like, you're going to Kashmir as it is, what Kashmir is. So they're saying, you woman going alone. I said, of course, why not? What's wrong in that? So Chief Minister, Mr. Saeed was there who welcomed me. And then he offered me that I should be state guest, which I refused. I said, no, I've come here to be associated with the people, to understand what their problems are, why people not coming to Kashmir, what is happening. And I would go into city, right into their houses and all that. Army used to be all over there and really enjoyed that. And after that I have done 4 times Kashmir from Mumbai. But then I got all the more people interested, especially my husband, who had never done like this. So the next trip, he was with me. He says, if you can do it, definitely I can do it. And so on, there were friends and all that. So Hansu, when she was saying that anybody there, I said, yes, of course I'm there. I don't know whether she's there or not. So I said, of course I'm there to accompany her. And then I had made plans, to go to Thailand, Burma and all that all alone. So people said, no, not going alone. And then I learned swimming at the age of 49. Again the same thing. It was the second session for my son learning swimming. By that time he had learned little bit. He used to go to Centaur, which was called Tulip Star now, for his swimming classes. So second or third day he says, Mama, come on, jump, I'll teach you swimming. I said, me jump, you'll teach me swimming? With all these 5, 10, 12 years old kids? He says, yes, why not? So I asked his instructor, can I really learn swimming with all these kids? He says, yeah, why not, jump? So believe me, I jumped, I learned. And today I just enjoy swimming with my grandkids. And they enjoy swimming with me much more than their parents. So unlike driving, which was, like something the situation demanded that I done. But swimming was something which was entirely my decision. And I wanted to challenge myself, whether I can really do it or not. And I can do it. And I really enjoyed doing it. I was 60 or 61 when a friend told me that Terence sir is taking senior citizen classes in Bandra. And I always wanted to learn dancing.
50 Young, the channel dedicated to us for folks 50 plus and forever young. Subscribe to 50 Young today.